we can do it now. That way if something goes horribly wrong, it's chronologically correct. He said it would be super cool, and I don't want anybody to die, so fair enough.
If we want any audio, we should probably do window up.
Strangest track day you've had here? It's useful for everything, see?
It's the practical, everyday Mercedes.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to DC MotorWerks. We are back with the limo today. As I told you, there was something very exciting coming for the timeline of the limo here. We are out at the racetrack with J-Zilla Track Days. This is my buddy Rick, and this is him. We'll call him the Stig today. How about that?
The Stig.
We want to do something super exciting with the limo for y'all for December. We'll call it our Christmas special. It survived the lift. It did not fold in half, and even after some slowdowns and some mishaps while getting it ready for the track today, we made it. We are here in one piece, and it drove here not on a trailer. We are out here at Road Atlanta, and we are going to put this on the track. So let's go ahead and get our helmets, and we'll get going.
Our plan for you guys today is to build speed, and then by this afternoon, we should be dried up this afternoon, and you guys are gonna have a whole lot of good times this afternoon.
This is a safe and controlled environment. The guy in front of you is not going to drop his cheeseburger and slam on the brakes, right? So get close. I mean, a couple of car lengths, but I mean, close, right? And that's going to let the pods move faster.
You're doing 130, 140 miles per hour for like the whole day, right? You get back on 85, and you're like, this is so unsafe.
100%.
You should get a briefing from your coaches as well, like a pre-debrief and also a post-debrief, and then I'll meet you guys back here in an hour.
Woo!
Very good. Thank you.
Thanks, James.
Yeah.
Cole, he's calling, I guess, the coordinator guy to see if he can put a guy in the back.
Well, yeah, no.
No.
He said, and I understand, he said it's a safety concern. They actually have had this question before, and the thing with a limo is the way they're constructed. They don't know how it's constructed, and they don't want somebody behind where it was cut and welded.
Yeah,
and
it comes apart.
Exactly, and I kind of understand that. I don't think we're going to hit anything, but I do understand that.
You just see the back end of it is going trailing away.
That's what Dusty's like, look, I don't want, he said it would be super cool, and I don't want anybody to die, so fair enough.
That's the smarter answer.
That generally works. Are you coaching anybody in green?
It's Steven's dad in like 3 sessions.
Yeah, so for the first session, we're trying to get him out because he's got to go. Can you coach so that I can run camera car?
Yeah, absolutely.
All right.
Headroom is definitely sacrificed.
I guess when you're tall, yeah, you're good.
Where am I going?
He said, go ahead.
I can't see him.
Oh.
Past your big helmet.
Yeah.
You'll be the first one all the way on the left.
Do you like window down or?
Well, if we want any audio, we should probably do window up. Okay, you're good, go.
You tell me what kind of speeds and stuff you're comfortable with.
Oh, you do whatever you want to do.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Like I said, I don't want to break it.
Yeah, probably a good idea.
It is all about having a good time here. Let's make sure we tighten up the suspension there.
Oh yeah, you can't have body roll.
No, what is that in a limo?
This is wonderful.
Isn't it? Doesn't handle too bad though.
No, it's not bad at all.
Yes, that's a good one.
fine.
It looks, I mean, you were hustling.
It moves.
There's plenty more.
Yeah, I feel like there's a lot more pace in it than that.
Dude, that's sick, because that was everything I had.
That's funny.
The old Civic can't keep up. Strangest track day you've had here? Would you like to turn on your heated seat, sir?
You know, I just might. Oh, you're good.
Try and keep it to where it doesn't kill my throttle. This thing's got all the grip and everything.
It does. All the weight.
A little bit of understeer.
At least this thing's safe.
Yeah.
You're not gonna just drift off into a wall or anything. You just, a little bit of understeer, you're like, okay, now I need to back off.
Yeah, and then it grips again, you're
Yeah.
good.
All right, stay on the left side. And slow down and let him come up next to you. So do a turn signal on the right side. All right, let's see if we can, all right, go ahead and pass him on the left side.
So how was it?
That was amazing.
That was wild.
I
So
just-
you ran away from this Honda Civic Accord?
Yeah, Civic. I had more left.
That was unbelievable. Seeing you go down through the S's. Was it fun?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's got plenty of grip. It feels steady.
That's-
Brakes are strong.
That's wild.
There's hardly any understeer.
Yeah? That was something special. We need the presidential limo.
I see.
Yeah.
I see. That's legit presidential limo right there.
Yes. Now, Dustin told us we were not allowed to put anybody in the back because he's afraid it'll snap in half.
Right.
Thanks for letting me bring it out.
Yeah,
I
man.
appreciate it.
Yeah.
It had all the grip it needed out there.
It's I could not keep up with him.
What do you mean?
I couldn't keep up with him in this car.
Oh, you live lead follow.
Yeah. No. I literally, he pulled away at will from this car.
Is it S600?
That's a 500. But it's got plenty of legs.
It looks good going around the track.
Does it?
It looks hysterical coming down the hill.
I'd love to see some of the reactions of
Well, did you notice that everybody, corner workers included, maintenance guys, everybody stopped and was taking pictures?
Really?
Yeah. There were, on the
That's
back
awesome.
straight, there was a dude a maintenance guy that pulled the truck over,
Was like-
standing on the truck taking pictures.
I told Rick I'll leave it here. I just need to ride back to my shop.
Yeah, I'm gonna let him take the Lexus and I'm gonna drive this. I can block the whole turn 7 sideways with the limo. I don't think we're gonna get much better than what we got. The mist is pretty cool.
Was it kicking up some mist and
Yeah,
stuff?
it was, as long as the 360 camera did its job. Some of it's gonna be pretty far away, but dude, you caught a C8 Corvette and a Camaro ZL1.
I was surprised by that.
That was cool.
I know. I was like, man, they're slowing me down.
Yeah, right?
It's useful for everything. See?
It's the practical, everyday Mercedes. All right, well, I'll let you guys do it.
Thank
All
you,
right,
sir.
yeah, man.
I'll
You headed
see you
back
in
to
a
work
bit.
after this? Got to
Yeah.
get some toys?
Yeah, there you go. I got work to do.
Yeah. Lamborghinis don't fix themselves?
That's right.
I don't know. If I say enough prayers, I'm hoping mine will.
You like it?
Yeah, it looks a little understeery.
So it looks like I got my Stig helmet before I got my chauffeur hat, but we say that was a successful trip in the limo. I think everyone out here enjoyed seeing this thing go around the track, and it did a great job. I mean, there was hardly any understeer. It had plenty of power. We were pulling away from the camera car. What else could we ask for? But there is more exciting stuff in store for a limo. I don't know how we're gonna top this, but we'll come up with something. So like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Hit that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.